Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Pixburg. In this video I will show you how you can make a cutout text in Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make a text by type tool. Let's start there. You can select a type tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Then you need to create a text. I am typing a text. After that you need to select a selection tool, resize into bigger, then align according to your artboard. After that you need to create a outline of this text. You can create outline by right click on this and create outlines. You can create outline by shift control O. Okay, after that you need to make a path. You can make a path by pen tool. That's right there. You can select a pen tool by pressing P on your keyboard. Then made a path. I want to cut a text from center, so I'm creating a path from center of the text. Okay, after that you need to select a selection tool and select both of those text layer and path. Then you need to divide this. You can divide by Pathfinder. You can find a Pathfinder from Windows and Pathfinder. That's right there. After that you need to go on Pathfinder, and in second line you will see a option divide. Then click on divide. After that you need to ungroup this. You can ungroup by right clicking on this and click on ungroup. Then select bottom of the text and made a group. You can made a group by pressing Ctrl G on your keyboard and right click on this and click on group. Then transform down this text. You can see it will be cut out. For good results, change the color of the text. I am using blue color. Oh sorry, it's a gray color because it's on gray cycle mode. I am changing in RGB, so you can see the results goes here. I hope you like this video. If you like, so please like the video, subscribe my channel. If you want to support me, go on Patreon and support me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Be happy, be creative.